big ass rock. Big ass piece of concrete. Holy shit. God, thank God I didn't hit that. Wow. Thank God it didn't kick up and hit me. Oh man, that's the biggest concern, folks. Well, anyway, we're on our way to pick up Tank once again for a bike night. Let's go. Stupid lights. Tank, 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 Tank. I'm here, Tank. Where you at, Tank? You ready to go, Tank? Because I'm here, Tank. Ah, there he is. It's a red bike. Once again. Oh, God. Oh, man. One goat power is not enough. This is uphill. But I'm gonna park right here with it in gear. Always look at your kickstand. That's a goat's tip. Goat's tip number 3, actually. All right. Look at those dogs in there. There's the black bike. Whoa. Okay. These gloves are so thick I can't feel the buttons on the cameras. Yep, the usual. Let me see, let me see where you're at. Here, let me see it. Right there. There you go. That looks pretty good right there. Hey, this time, look up once in a while. You know what I mean? Because you were pew. I could see you up ahead, just choo choo choo, in the helicopter right above both of us. Above you first, then me. Really? Yeah, yeah. And he just wasn't looking at you. Yeah. Oh yeah. It's in the video. From did you watch that video? No, not yet. Dude, it's good. Okay, I'll check it out. I put a lot of editing work into it. It's on the new channel. Okay. You got gas? Yeah. Okay. You? I'm good, I'm full. Okay, let's we'll go straight there then. Open Sesame. Open Sesame. Open Sesame. Woo! The headset now is Gary Newman Metal. a very clear night. You can see all kinds of airplanes running around. The airport's not too far from here, over that way. So there was a bike night out in Katy, but we did not go to that because I had work to do with Mrs. Go. Work to do with Mrs. Go. Jeez, look at this. Oh my goodness. I think every bike in Houston must be here. Oh boy. You know it's bad when you can't find parking when you're on a motorcycle. Popo. Uh-oh, it's the Popo. Oh man. Ooh, a lot of heat coming off this thing. Make sure it ain't on fire. Jesus Christ, man. Wow. Jeez. Oh my goodness. There is like too many people. Oh, uh-oh. Cop just got somebody. All right, here we are once again. Oh man, lots of people here. Lots of people. And bikes and drones. There's a drone right over there. Let's see who we got. Got a little bit of everything. Catch up with you all in a bit.